We are going to visit the Eagle Jayco 335 RDOK. That is rear dining outside kitchen. So let's take a look at this beautiful unit.
All right, let's get a look at this Eagle by Jayco. First thing we notice, awning. All the way to the slide out.
All over the top of your entrance door. When it's raining, keeps you dry.
230-gallon tank, propane, one on each side. This garage bay door, that is cool. That's a lot of room right there.
What's this here?
That is a rack, a slide out for your grill that you're gonna install on the outside, because this, okay, as you said, stand out for
outside kitchen.
There you go. Spray port water, so people who have dogs or people who can't clean their feet before they get in. 4-step, more ride system. 2 Dexter axle, 6,000-pound axle. This is your kitchen access. This is nice. I like this. See, your grill could be in here, or that could be just your container place, your refrigerator. One would install a TV here. I'm sure one of them will think about that.
Absolutely.
Because you got all the USB, all the plugs, lights, everything.
And everything's underneath the awning, which is great. So you can sit, watch TV, and cook without getting wet.
That is that tube we saw there. You just slide in here. Here's your grill right here. So you're actually making it a kitchen.
It's your table.
That is cool. Electric jack on all of the 4 corners of the unit. So this is what you got for system. This slide out is actually hydraulic electric driven out. You got 3 system on here. I'm kind of surprised a little bit, but 3 different system of slide out. A hitch, 3000 hitch, like a lot of them now do. Solid fix. Ladder to go to the roof. See, that's the other system, the other electric slide out system for this living. And then the kitchen, I'm saying the kitchen because I see the refrigerator trap right here. And this is actually the access that I love.
Oh,
see, this is the access for your fridge. So right there you have a leak. If you have a water system, that's why we don't have ice maker on ours, because we can't access like this. This is nice. So venting your fridge, it's phenomenal. So that's your 50 amp plug. This is the water heater back plate. I know it's just at the dealership, so they didn't install the anode rod, but it's all well sealed. As an RV inspector, you need this.
But when you pick yours up, it will be.
And I can see it's not electric driven, so it's only propane. So those are the different class of RV that have those little options that they put on. Water bay, pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple compared to others. You got 2 gray tank, black water, and 2 gray tank because of the kitchen and probably where the bathroom's located differently. So this is the other one, the other propane tank. And here we have the front end where the battery will be located. That's your little garage, your battery, your switch, 120 amp switch. So this is it. This is about what it looks like for an Eagle. Let's go inside now.
Welcome to the 335 RDOK, rear dining, outside kitchen. So come on in and take a look at this. I love this. Look at this booth seating. So you've got a nice booth on one side, and then you have these beautiful stools on the other side. I love this. This is really pretty. Let's go in the back. Let's start back here. Check out this living room. So you've got 2 pull-out sofas here on the side. You've got your love seats. Where's the TV? It's hidden in here on the elevator lift, which is great, so you can still have the outside view, but at nighttime when you want to watch TV, this just lifts up. Nice entertainment system. You've got your Furrion fireplace and plenty of storage on either side, which is absolutely beautiful, and a lot of storage on top as well. And it's deep, as you can see, very deep. Nice atrium windows too. They've really put in some nice big windows, which is fantastic. We have behind here, Pierre, look at this pantry. What's nice about this is that your shelves can be interchanged and you can have different levels.
That's more room than ours.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? We have microwave, and then you have your 3-burner stove with your oven. It's by Furrion. And here you have a drawer where you can store all of your pots and pans. And, you know, cupboard space on either side. Again, they've utilized a lot of the space, which is wonderful. This refrigerator is the bomb. It's by Whirlpool, but let me open this up for you. Check this out. We love having the fridge on top and the freezer on the bottom, because where do you access most? Right here in the fridge. But check out this freezer. So which side did you put stuff on? This is your ice cream side, honey, and this will be my ice cream side. And when we have a double basin sink, which is wonderful to have.
It's to bathe 2 grandkids at the same time.
Yep, 2 babies at the same time. A ton of storage, again, up here above the sink, on either side of the sink. Huge storage under the sink, a lot of storage. And then you have your
Fuse box breaker.
Your fuse box right here in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And let's go upstairs.
Yeah.
I'll open up this, but I'll let you go in so you can see how big this bathroom is. They've utilized a lot of space. They have a lot of, you can get into the cupboards and see the space that they have in the cupboards, which is fantastic.
Yeah, there's a lot of storage here. That is kind of cool. This bathroom is kind of nice.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, you actually have a cabinet. Yeah.
So
Pharmacy, that's
bedroom is a queen, so queen bed. Again, you've got your storage under the bed. That lift, really easy. That was a 1-finger lift right there.
Comes with all kind of gift underneath the bed.
And don't mind the boxes. That is just from the TV that they've installed. But you have, it's kind of dark in here, but there's your closet. And over here, wow, look at the storage on top of there.
Nice.
So, and it is equipped where you could have the washer in there. Just have to take the shelving out. But otherwise, it's dark wood, which is really pretty. I think it looks fantastic.
TV where?
Beautiful dresser.
You can have a TV where the bed belongs.
And the flooring. The flooring is absolutely beautiful. Love this vinyl. I love that barn floor wood look. So in the comments below, in this particular unit, tell us what would be your favorite feature. And in a few minutes, we're going to share our favorite feature and least favorite on this particular unit. If you're enjoying this video so far, we invite you to subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. And wait till the end. So we're going to share with you our least favorite and our favorite items on this particular unit. Okay, Pierre, you first. What's your least favorite?
Why do you make me do this?
I made him go first.
My least favorite is just the way that there's a lot in here. It's phenomenal to see all the access and stuff. I just feel a little bit, it's maybe because it's dark, so I feel kind of claustrophobic and everything's right around me. I don't know. It's the darkness, I guess. The dark wood, the black, the darker tapestry that they put. So that'd be my downer for this. But other than that, the layout is freaking perfect. It's nice and it's accessible and yeah, no, there's a lot of room. So what's your least favorite?
My least favorite, I guess I would have to say it's probably the 3-burner stove. But I love a 4-burner stove. Not all units can have the 4-burner stove and not everybody wants it. That's a personal preference. Okay, favorites.
What's your favorite?
My favorite, I gotta say, it's the outside kitchen. I love that. That would be phenomenal to have that outside. Cool. We cook outside a lot already. We kind of made our own outside kitchen, but that's a nice feature. I love that they did that.
I like that railing tube that would be, yeah. No, that's cool.
What's your favorite?
Mine is the TV. That TV stand that
comes. The TV
we're
lift?
Sitting right here, and we'd be watching the TV right now when we want it. So it doesn't block the view in the daytime and the light coming in. But at night, geez, that was a nice feature.
I know why you like that.
I know, exactly.
Listen, we had a Class C Sunseeker, and we had a booth, and we didn't like sitting at the booth. So he took the booth out, and he made a beautiful little sit-up bar area to be able to eat but also the TV was on that elevator lift, which was phenomenal.
Cool. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I guess that's what I was trying to say, that we're going to share something at the end of the video. It's all the good things. There's a lot of nice features in this unit.
Yeah.
And there's something for everybody. So I love the dark wood. He doesn't love the dark wood. You know, it's a personal preference.
No, it's just a feeling when I go in here, and that's why you have to go in different units. You have to walk into them and see the difference between this one, then we share.
It's all about the layout.
We still shop. We still look at stuff. Hey, what would you like? Would you like that? This is cool. Wow. Those are the things we still continue to watch and try to seek in every unit we see is something that we like to transfer. Now we're just bringing you the dirty and gritty. This is what it is. This is what it lays out. And we hope that you can enjoy that, because we know you're stuck at home and you don't have a chance like we do to visit all of them. So, and also thanks for that dealer that let us come out here. We're in Albany RV1, and they were nice enough and kind enough to let us walk around, video, and they know we're here, and they're being real nice people.
Thank you, Albany, New York, RV1.
Cool.
You guys are awesome.
Thanks a lot, giving you a heads up. So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the journey.